Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate every task with AI Google AgentSpace. So, AgentSpace or Google AgentSpace is a new AI powered platform from Google Cloud, designed to help enterprises create, deploy, and manage AI agents. These AI driven assistants can automate workflows, retrieve and analyze information, and assist with tasks across different businesses, functions, including HR, finance, marketing, and software development. Now, let's talk about the key features of the Google Agent Space. We have the first key feature, which is the custom AI agents. Businesses can build and fine tune their own AI powered assistant. Also, they have the multi step workflow automation included. So, the AI agents can handle complex processes, such as document analysis and customer support. Now, for the third key feature, we have the enterprise grade security, which is going to be very welcomed by the enterprises. It is going to include the role based access control, which is going to be well known as RBAC, and also VPC service controls and IAM integration. Now, for the fourth, feature or the key feature, it is going to be well known for the particulars, which is going to be Notebook LM for enterprises. For those doesn't know what is a Notebook LM, it is going to be the platform from Google that will help you analyze the topics that has been discussed into a meeting. Also, they can have some notes, or you can create some notes into that specific platform, and it can generate some researches, descriptions, and also some analysis about a data and also a document that you have put. In the enterprises mode, it is going to provide AI powered research and summarization tools while ensuring enterprise grade privacy and security. Now, for the last feature, we have the multi language support. So the AI agents can assist other or users across different regions and languages. So let's talk about the use cases of the Google Agent Space. So basically, it is going to be used for HR teams. It is going to automate the onboard and benefit selection. It is going to be also used in between the marketing teams. So it is going to generate performance reports and content recommendations. For the software developers, it is going to help by identifying bugs, assist with coding, and optimize deployment cycles. Now, for the last use case, it is going to be used on the legal and finance. So it is going to analyze the contracts and financial data. So, for the competitive landscapes, Google AgentSpace competes with performs or platforms like AWS Amazon Q, Salesforce, Agentforce, and Microsoft Azure AI agents. All part of growing agentic AI movement focused on automating complex businesses. So the task is going to be found on google.com or cloud.google.com. Also, you can learn more on the specific AI or get the early access on heading over or type in on Google Agent Space or Google Agent Space in Google, and then you're going to get the link. So you're going to sign up for an early access. As you can see, it is not going to be live yet. So you can go ahead and click on sign up for an early access, and then you're going to put the first name, the account of yours, the business phone or the job title, the company name, the country, and select which of the offering you're going to be interested in. So if it is going to be Notebook LM only, which is not going to be that interested, but the agent space, including Notebook LM, is going to be the way. Then you're going to submit the request. You're going to receive an email. Whenever they are going to unlock the platform, you're going to get an invitation. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.